Welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you the Qwickbuild range of bolts. It's super simple, there's 4 of them and the only difference is the length. So let's take a look. We've got the A410, the A411, A412, A413. What's the difference? Okay, this is a 4-inch, a 6-inch, an 8-inch and a 10-inch. And for the metric folks out there, it's a 90mm, a 140mm, a 180mm and a 230mm. Now you're asking, okay, well, why do you have 4 different lengths? Okay, well, when we get to laminating any joists or beams together side by side, then we want the correct bolt length for how many laminations you're doing. So if you've got 2 joists or 2 beams, you want to use a 4-inch or a 90mm bolt, and obviously you just go up to the next size bolt if you're going to have 3 layers there. Let's take a look at the attributes of this bolt. It's got a 3/4 inch head on it, which is a 19mm. It's got a 1/2 inch thread on it. It's got washers at either end, and it's got a lock nut at one end as well. The other thing is that it's 304 stainless steel, so it's got great corrosion resistance. They come in a box of 10 and they're a great universal bolt. So in summary, you don't need to worry about how to calculate how many screws or brackets or components you need. The deck planner will calculate it for you.